It is with great sadness that the Maverick accepts that Mike Ricketts and his crew secured a 4-year mandate to continue to run Jamaica's football. But you know, as sad as it might be, it is not totally Mike Ricketts' fault that he's back as JFF president. In fact, Mr. Ricketts cannot be blamed any at all for being returned unopposed to the JFF presidency. It is the micro-leadership of the nation's football, namely the parish presidents, who are guilty as charged of choosing free trips and handouts over the wider interests of Jamaica's football. 11 of the 13 parish presidents nominated Mr. Ricketts to return as president. Some of them will whisper quietly, say they're not pleased with Mr. Ricketts' leadership, but they could not conjure up the balls or the conviction to do something about it. One parish president is on record as saying he knows Mike Ricketts is not the best president, but him still supporting. And look, the notion that no one challenged Mr. Ricketts, so I complain, that is foolishness. No one challenged Mr. Ricketts because it made no sense to challenge, because the parish presidents line up behind Mr. Ricketts with them passport in them hand and wait for foreign trip. Anyway, it is what it is. The football will always be bigger than the JFF and Mike Ricketts. But we not lie. It's sad. It really sad for sure not lie to you, man. It really lie to me. I can't cry the football, man. It's sad me not know, the Maverick don't cry now. Maverick don't cry, but it's sad me to them talk about the football game and Ricketts on the front. It's sad, man.